What if Earth suddenly moved into Mars's orbit? Would life survive the trip? It sounds like science fiction, but let's imagine for a moment that somehow Earth's path around the Sun shifted outward, placing us roughly where Mars orbits now. Overnight, our world is cast into a colder, harsher orbit, changing everything we know about seasons, climate, atmosphere, and survival. I'm going to guide you through that strange scenario, from first shock waves to long-term fates. In this scenario, we begin by relocating Earth's orbital radius from about 1 astronomical unit to about 1.5 AU, roughly Mars's distance. That means Earth gets much less solar power, less energy reaching the surface. Oceans begin to chill. But first, some caveats. Planets follow Kepler's laws, and the mass of Earth doesn't strongly change the orbit if you place it there. But subtle gravitational interactions with other planets would ripple changes through the system. Still, for our thought experiment, assume Earth remains in a roughly circular, stable path at 1.5 AU. The atmosphere begins to collapse in places as cooling causes gases to condense or fall out. This process accelerates cooling. Human infrastructure falters, pipelines freeze, power lines snap, farming collapses. The biosphere loses diversity rapidly. Many coastal areas see sea ice pushing in and shifting ecosystems. Over years, atmospheric pressure slowly lowers. Still, pressure falls and breathable air becomes scarcer. The carbon cycle stalls. Plant life vanishes. But there's a twist. Life might survive deep underground or near geothermal vents, isolated from the collapse. The long-term Earth might resemble a world of ice with a habitable rift, a fragile thread of survival. And here's the surprising thought. Our planet, in a distant, frozen orbit, might last far longer than we expect, if humans manage to endure the initial shock. Another twist, the chaos in planetary orbits means Earth might not stay safe forever. Gravitational nudges over millions of years could send Earth drifting inward or outward, or destabilize neighboring orbits. The planet we've known could be ejected, collide, or spiral. What this thought experiment teaches is humility. Life is finely tuned, held in balance by the sun's warmth and planetary harmony. In that frozen new world, humanity might cling to survival underground, in domed cities, or by migrating toward geothermal oases. We'd learn how fragile our home is, and how precious that perfect orbit really is. The balance we enjoy is rare, delicate, and remarkable. Let's explore together the boundaries of what our world could be, and what we must protect.